Craig Plants with Resident Realty. Resident Realty offers real estate education for new agents, for existing agents, and for those who want to learn more about the business, including continuing education required by the state, as well as some different tools and tips and procedures and methods of becoming a real estate agent and managing your business. To start with, we offer a licensing course, 168 credit hours, as required by the state of Colorado for those wishing to become real estate agents in the state. Resident Realty offers that class. It's a video course with live tutoring twice a week in 4 different markets, from Colorado Springs up through northern Colorado. You can find out information at our Resident Realty Academy, which is residentrealtyacademy.com, which you can also get to from our front page at residentrealty.com. Resident Realty also offers the continuing education that is required by the state of Colorado so that agents can continue to maintain their credits as they move throughout each year. You are required to get 8 credit hours of continuing education each year that you maintain your real estate license. Resident Realty offers those also through the Resident Realty Academy. And on top of that, Resident Realty offers multiple sources to teach real estate agents, those with their license, how to go out and get listings, how to get buyers. It's really the important nuts and bolts on how to operate your real estate business. We do that in a in-person class. We have webinar trainings that you can take that as well, that are taught by our own instructors at Resident Realty. And then through the Resident Realty Academy, we also have video courses that are going to help each individual agent to go ahead and look at different types of things that they may want to learn about, whether it's water rights, whether it's wells inside the state of Colorado, or whether it's how to provide a listing presentation, how to create a listing presentation, and just an array of different topics from some of the best instructors in the state of Colorado. Resident Realty wants to make sure that anybody who wants to increase their education while a real estate agent or become a real estate agent has the avenue to do so through our Resident Realty Academy online, which is residentrealtyacademy.com. On top of that, for any agents who decide that they want to get a real estate license through the Resident Realty Academy, if they commit to Resident Realty for a year after they receive their license, we cut the price of the course in half from that's advertised. And if that's something you may be interested in, just go ahead and contact me or somebody through our website, realtybp.com, and we'll go ahead and get you the codes, the coupon codes, so that you can get those for half price. Thank you very much for tuning in today. I wish you the best.